Nice. All right.
Ready?
Ronnie shooting the Mosin Nagant. Wish I had the binoculars.
Yeah,
I got
no. We'll go down and check.
The spawn scope's right there behind it, inside the bag.
.762 by 54R, as in Russian.
When it gets hot, sometimes they do that.
Really?
Yep. That cosmoline in there. Hit it with your hand.
All the way up. Yeah.
It's
Oh,
hot.
mine never did that.
Yeah, I had a friend that he said his locked up so hard.
Clear?
Yep.
Let's go down range and look at it.
Doesn't have the star on it? I don't think it's got the star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
One was over here, but the rest of them were.
It's probably the first one.
Yeah, and I wasn't sure. I was just kind of from back there. I can't.
Yeah, I can't really see. That's what I'm saying. Sweet.
I need new glasses, so I was trying to go somewhere towards the middle. So yeah, that's pretty decent.
Yeah.
Cool.
So Ronnie had a nice tight group there. 1, 2, 3, 4. This was his first shot in a little while, but then he reined it in pretty good.
So hey, someday when we get around to building our little shooting range, we need to do it like that too.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah, I like that
Yeah.
because that way it's, you know, if
Get
anything
some-
does deflect.
Get some of those,
Yeah, but you look.
Yeah.
telephone
You can
poles
see
in
where
the
people
back.
been shooting.
Yeah.
I said you can see where people shoot where they shouldn't. Yeah, but that's actually a good
That's
idea.
gonna slow the rounds down a little
Yeah,
bit.
by the
Yeah.
time it goes through that wood, it's.
Yeah, deflected.
And you can always put some more on top, get some sandbags on top of that, you know.
Yeah.
Go so far as put it up against your shoulder. You gotta hold it in tight. Up.
I know,
sure you're
it's
right
kind of
here.
like that Mossberg, because if not, it'll just mess you up.
Okay, so you're gonna push the boat forward hard and then bring it down.
Okay, well let me put my ears in first. It's all about the ears.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
Okay, you gotta push the boat. You gotta push it in. Yep. There you go. It's ready.
Excellent.
Make sure you have it tight. Hold it in tight right here.
Get your
You're gonna
cheek up
know.
on that stock. There you go. Perfect.
Okay.
You have
it's
to
not
cycle it.
automatic. You gotta work the bolt. Pull the bolt back, up. Hit it with your hand. Hit it with the pump. There you go. Now pull it back. Now same way. There you go.
Gipskrieg.
Hold it in tight when you shoot it. She's hitting it.
Yeah, she's definitely hitting it.
I don't know where that hit.
Oh, Gott.
Yeah, it used to be right there. I don't know where that
I saw the dirt fly behind it, so she's hitting it.
Use the palm of your hand when you bring it up. Palm. Hit it with the palm. Is that the last one?
One more.
It seems like forever with these things.
I know. Because you have to bolt action it.
There you go. Is that it?
Yes.
You want to see where you hit?
The center.
So this is Sabine here, 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 here. It's not bad. First time ever shooting a Nagant.
And, you know, he'll have some shoulder pain.
No, this one I'm pretty sure would have stopped him.
Bruised from it before.
I always get so excited when I'm shooting it, I don't feel it. And then the next day I'm like, why does my shoulder hurt?
Yeah. That's like her Mossberg. That thing's no joke.
Yow.
Isn't that a lot easier?
Oh yeah,
Hey.
I've always, yeah, that's when I first started doing it. I never loaded it from, this is the first time I ever shot it.
Huh?
So good news, you get to do first aid.
Hi,
Uh-oh, you cut yourself?
you
Oh,
guys
that
got
ain't
your ears
stitches.
in? Sabine, you got your earplugs in?
Yeah.
Yeah, the bayonet.
Oh.
I bayoneted myself.
What did you do? Bayoneted yourself?
Bayoneted myself.
What's the
I'm
bayonet
sorry.
look like on
The
that?
loving wife I don't think is supposed to laugh when her husband bayonets himself.
No, I've done that how many times? Never had it.
And John is shooting, it's a Mosin Nagant,
Russian model, yeah.
Russian model 1940. So that's what I have.
Yeah. I know
Things
I'm
that
all
go
over 'cause I'm
boom.
shaking when I'm shooting.
Babe, is that mine or yours?
What?
Camera.
Should be mine. It was in my pocket.
Oh, I put mine in here. I didn't know what to do with mine.
That was it.
All right, let's go see what you did.
I know I didn't do very well.
I'm out for sure.
Okay, now John's gonna do some headshots.
Try to. I had something to lean this up against.
Look, Ronnie, I'm just collecting live ammo here. Ronnie, said I'm collecting live ammo here.
Wow.
People drop it. See? They get a jam or something and they just kick it out and let it go.
Oh.
Keep mine.
Not me, I'm like, where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Goes in quick, 5 rounds, bam, like that. But when you're firing, is it empty yet? Please be empty.
It's like, please let him be dead so I don't have to shoot him one more time.
All right.
John is gonna go for the head. Looked like you were about in that range.
Can't tell.
I just saw where it hit in the dirt behind it. I didn't see no dirt on that one. I think you actually...
The sights are definitely different. Gotta get used to it.
27 cameras on him. I said 27 cameras on him. No pressure, John. And one more.
That is it.
All right, let's go see what we have.
I'm in one right and he won't be chewing for a while.
There's what we got. There, 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 and there.
Yeah, probably the other one went over the board.
I mean, if each one
Yeah.
of us...
Okay, this is Christine shooting the Mosin Nagant.
Try this.
Now remember, those are Monarch. The last two are going to be the Russian. fun those things are.
Yeah.
Right above the X.
Yeah, I think Christine did a little bit better than I did.
No, the X. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the wild one over here. This was Ronnie's first. He had a tighter shot group than I did, though.
That's a kill ring anyway.